miles per hour. Maple-sized hail. This is a radar. The following events are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lake of the Ozarks, Bennett Springs State Park, Atoka State Park, and
National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Johnston County in southeastern Oklahoma, Cole County in southeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Pontotoc County in east central Oklahoma, northwestern Atoka County in southeastern Oklahoma, south central Hughes County in southeastern Oklahoma, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Tupelo to near Connerville to 3 miles northwest of Ravia, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atoka, Tishomingo, Coalgate, Mannsville, Ravia, Stonewall, Atoka, Stringtown, Lehigh, Tupelo, Mill Creek, Bromide, Dirty, Centrahoma, Pontotoc, Fitchtown, Clarita, Olney, Reagan, and Connerville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.